Maintaining a clean and healthy home doesn't have to come at the expense of the environment or your well-being. Many conventional cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful to both you and the planet. Fortunately, there are simple and effective alternatives you can make at home using natural ingredients. This video is a guide to creating your own eco-friendly and toxic-free cleaning products for a healthier living home. We've got it simple. Everyday ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. These ingredients are powerhouses that will help you tackle dirt, grime, and bacteria without any harmful side effects. The first is all-purpose cleaner, made with ingredients like a cup of distilled white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 10 drops of essential oil, which can either be tea tree oil, lavender oil, or lemon oil. Combine the vinegar and the water in a spray bottle, then add the baking soda. Shake well until the baking soda dissolves. Finally, add your choosing essential oil for a pleasant scent and added cleaning power. This all-purpose cleaner is perfect for your countertops, surfaces, and even glass. The second eco-friendly disinfectant you can use to make your home healthy is lemon-scented disinfectant. Ingredients like 2 cups of water, half cup of white vinegar, quarter cup of lemon juice, lemon zest as well, 10 drops of tea tree essential oil will be required to make this. Mix water, white vinegar, and lemon juice in a bowl. If you want a stronger lemon scent or lemon aroma, add some lemon zest. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle and add tea tree essential oil for its natural disinfectant properties. This is ideal for disinfecting the kitchen and the bathroom surfaces. And the third eco-friendly cleanser I have here, this one is usually used when you have oil or grease on your surfaces or in your home and you want to clean it up in a natural way. It's called the Grease Cutting Citrus Degreasers. Ingredients like 1 cup of distilled white vinegar, 1 cup of water, a tablespoon of baking soda, half cup of lemon juice, 10 drops of citrus essential oil like orange oil or grapefruit oil will be required to make this cleaner. Combine white vinegar, water, baking soda, and lemon juice in a spray bottle. Add citrus essential oil for its grease-cutting abilities and refreshing aroma. Shake well before each use. You can use it on the kitchen surfaces to tackle grease and grime effectively. The last one is actually an air freshener. There's no how you can keep your home healthy without it being odor-free. And do you know that baking soda can quickly absorb all odor? And that is the main ingredient you are going to be using in this natural air freshener. So the ingredients you need, there are 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 10 drops of essential oils like lavender oil, eucalyptus oil, and peppermint oil. My favorite is lavender oil. It's heavenly. So mix water and baking soda in a spray bottle. Add your preferred essential oil for a personalized fragrance. Personally, I'm going with lavender oil. Shake well and spritz into the air to freshen up any room without the use of synthetic air fresheners. By incorporating these natural cleaning products into your daily routine, you not only contribute to a healthier environment but also create a safer and a living space for you and your loved ones. These alternatives are simple to make, cost very effective, and provide effective cleaning without the harmful effect of conventional cleaning agents. Embrace the power of nature for a cleaner, greener, and toxic-free home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon for more health and eco-friendly tips. Until next time, stay green and stay clean. Bye.